said people process. I said, huh?
It happens.
Yeah.
It happens.
I said, what?
Rare, but it does happen. Contingency release stating that all contingencies have been met or removed if you've had any on the property. This is a refund authorization, so if you overpay on anything and we had to issue a refund to you, this would be how we get it to you. So we have three options: either send you a check through the mail, wire transfer, need a voided check to do that. And the last one here would be if anything came up.
I'll pick it up, no, I'm just not. What you say, call me?
I'm the same way.
Yeah, like call me, I'll pick it up. Let me get you 2 numbers.
And sign below. Date as well, please.
It probably never happens, do it.
It's rare, but if it does happen, you're looking at getting some money back. This is a closing disclosure for our documents, so we know what kind of transaction it was, the loan amount, allowing us to close off the file for you. And then next is appointing us to be your escrow agent, which gives us permission to take the title out of the seller's name, put it over into your name, and then disperse your funds correctly the way they need to be to finalize the process for you.
You want a date down here?
If you would, please, yes.